Hey everyone, is your car struggling with rough or delayed shifting? Maybe you've noticed slipping gears, overheating, or even poor fuel economy. You plug in an obd2 scanner and P0841, transmission fluid pressure sensor switch A circuit range performance appears. This issue can lead to transmission failure if ignored, but don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what P0841 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where you can find the exact sensor location to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0841? The P0841 trouble code is triggered when the powertrain control module detects an incorrect pressure reading from the transmission fluid pressure sensor. This sensor plays a crucial role in managing hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. When it malfunctions, it can disrupt transmission performance, leading to serious drivability issues. Common symptoms of P0841: hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping or failing to engage, check engine light or transmission. Warning light, overheating transmission, poor acceleration and fuel economy. To diagnose and fix P0841, check these critical components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor A, located on the transmission body, typically near the valve body or transmission pan. Transmission control module, located near the transmission housing or inside the engine bay. Controls gear shifting by regulating fluid pressure. Powertrain control module, usually found in the engine bay near the fuse box or firewall. Interprets sensor signals and controls transmission behavior. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Runs between the TFPS, TCM, and PCM, transmitting electrical signals for fluid pressure regulation. Transmission fluid and filter, inside the transmission pan, maintains proper lubrication and pressure regulation. Common causes: faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, low or contaminated transmission fluid, damaged wiring or connectors, failing transmission control module, or internal transmission problems. How to fix P0841. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid level. Step 2. Inspect the fluid condition. If dirty or burnt, flush and replace it along with the filter. Step 3. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor with a multimeter. Step 4. Examine the wiring and connectors for corrosion or damage. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. The P0841 code can lead to severe transmission problems, but by checking the fluid pressure sensor, wiring, and transmission fluid condition, you can fix it and keep your car running smoothly. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.